The Sonic Mud Records Communication Centre. The Sonic Mud Records Communication Centre is a private and secure chat room for you to connect with all the professionals involved in your project. This is where you can talk to our musicians and producers and explain exactly what you expect of your recording. From the link in your order confirmation email, you can directly access the chat room related to your project. You can also locate the project's chat room by following the Communication Centre link in the Cloud Portal desktop area. Or by simply typing into your browser smrportal.myqnapcloud.com/smrcc. Once you log into the Communication Centre using the username and password provided to you by email, you'll see all your projects organised under our different service categories. Please select the category, locate the project, and enter its password to access the chat room. Each project has a unique password which is sent to you in the order confirmation email. Please note that in order to receive message notifications to your email from the Communication Centre, you must click on Subscribe Project on the Settings tab on top of the chat thread. You'll then receive an email every time someone posts a message in the chat room. The Sonic Mud Records team mediates all the chats, so please don't hesitate to get in touch if you need any assistance. Just click on the exclamation sign beside your message to write to us, and we'll get back to you as soon as we can.